What are we doing?
We're going, me and you and Dylan are having a date.
We're going on a lunch date. And what did you pick?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, my favorite. Just finished up at the chiropractor and now we are going to lunch. Just us. Daddy's got Nolan and Jay. Alright, what are you getting, Maddie?
A kids meal.
Okay. With what's a drink?
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper. How is it, Maddie?
Good.
Maverick got the nuggets. Dylan got the sandwich. I got a sandwich and fries, and of course, I'm having my Chick-fil-A cup.
Dr. Pepper.
Maddie has Dr. Pepper. Maverick is very hungry. He ate all of his chicken, took Dylan's fries,
Mom.
and eating two of my chicken. You're so hungry today, huh? You a growing boy?
I'm trying to grow.
You're trying to grow big and strong? Chick-fil-A is the way to do it. Dylan.
I'll try to make a
Finish
Dr.
your food.
Pepper to try to do it.
You're gonna make Dr. Pepper do it?
Sure.
I don't think Dr. Pepper will make you grow big and strong.
No. What do you got? What are you eating right now?
Rice.
Rice? Are you eating panda? You eat a panda? Jay, what are you eating right now?
Rice and orange chicken.
Yeah, that's my boy. Yummy?
Yes.
Super good. Did you like these?
No.
All right, here's a hack if you don't already know. You can turn in the toy at Chick-fil-A, which is usually like a book or something,
I did
for ice cream. And she gave Dylan some for free. Did you go on a date with Daddy?
Yes.
What'd you get?
Mom,
Ooh, careful.
Mommy.
How was it?
Good.
Daddy's giving you a piggyback?
I have my food back. Dylan has second.
He saved that for Dylan. So nice of him.
Thank you.
And we saved him ice cream. There's Jay. He's walking to his car. We have to park it down at the clubhouse because we are not allowed to street park. He didn't want to ride. He wanted to walk to his car. What's up? He's taking me to get my oil changed. There's his car. Careful.
The mom's right over there.
Don't let it choke on it.
Oh god, you chopped it really small.
Where's the mom?
Definitely choking on it.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, he ate half of it. Here.
Cut this off in front of him straight. I see something.
So put it in the grass. She said put it in the grass. This little baby was in the garage.
What?
Okay.
Put it over here. Sorry, the mom's over here in this tree.
It's gone. It went away.
They're dumb.
They are dumb.
He's not hungry anymore.
Well, probably.
Don't go off my hand.
He's your mama.
Well, it is alive. All right, just leave it.
Are they supposed to just hop?
Oh my
gosh! What happened?
Just picked my car up from an oil change. Why do they move my freaking seats? That's so annoying. Like, wait, why'd they drive it so much? They drove it 30 miles? Am I going to lunch in my car? What the heck?
You want to point to me?
All right, earlier we saved a baby bird from our neighbor's garage, and now it's in our garage. We saved you, buddy. Why are you coming back?
It's okay. I'll try to get you. I can put him in there.
No, hang on.
Mom,
You
put
can't
him
grab
in
them with your hands.
Wait, might not grab one left.
Go get the, first get the box that Julie had
No.
earlier.
Mom, where is it? I'll fuck the wing.
Yeah, it's gonna get scared. I'm gonna move it this way so it doesn't roll the tire. He's right there. Okay.
Ready to get it?
Hang on, let's put it on its kickstand. I hear Mommy Bird. Hold on, let's see. Where's Mommy Bird? Because she's not very nice.
The mommy
Oh, there she is. Okay. All right. Go ahead. Be gentle. Gentle.
How? What can we pick up?
Just grab them with 2 hands.
Alright, I'll go with this.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. Good job. Careful. Good job. Oop. And he's stuck. Oh. Okay.
Alright, I'll try to catch it.
Okay. Now he's over here in the corner.
I'm so scared. They can't fly?
No, they can't fly. No, don't go back there. All right, grab him before he goes back behind the thing.
I'm so scared. I'll try to pick it up.
Oh, there he's good. He's good. Here he goes.
I want to catch
Bye, friend.
Wait, I got it. I got it.
Nope, there's Mom right there. You stay away. Stay away. That's Mommy Bird. Back it up. She's got a worm for him. Back up, boys.
I can take him up.
He's under Daddy's car.
Mommy. We can try to move. When he comes by, I can try to get.
We gotta be quiet so we can hear the baby. So she can hear it.
Where is it? It's far away.
Get him. Get him. They're playing. They're not fighting, I swear. Out from under the trampoline. Bobo. He's psycho. Get him. Go. Get him, Bobos. Get him, Jackers. Get him, Jackers. Get him, Jackers. Psycho dog. Jack. Why you gotta do that? All right, I'm heading to work, and it's an outdoor beach session. So, luckily, I am headed to that part right there where it's sunny, and hopefully stays that way. This is Florida, Florida, Florida. All right, so outdoor sessions are fun and all, but it is hot, 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 hot. That is sweat. Disgusting.